Okay, madam. The sign is I wanna. So want, I wanna see. See the world. W world. So balik. I wanna see the world through your eyes. Then, I've been so blinded. Na, pwede po, I've been. So, imitublo, I've been so blinded. Then, by the painful reality, real life. Diri ang life ha. Gikan diri, padong diri life. Then, a day of life. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Mga kapoy. So tired. I'm so tired. Am I slave? Slave, mo follow ra ka of my anxiety, o depression, di ba life pababaw at anxiety paubos, anxiety. Then when will finally finish, finally free, be free. So will I find my freedom, my freedom, bali find nga, release freedom. So I hear your voice whispering, whispering to me. All your struggles will be worthy. Struggles, struggles, worthy. Worth, your struggle worth in the end. Then keep carrying on, continue with courage. Courage ka na. Brave, courage, no? Courage. Then your breakthrough. So kada kung basta ma-finish na nimo or ma-stop na, ma-finish, o stop, ma-finish, then arriving, then until then keep praying on with courage, then keep carrying on, continue man na pasabot na, keep carrying on that. Don't be scared, or not scared, or don't. Pwede ra po, don't be scared. Okay, ano yung maganahan? Not, pwede ra, or don't. Anong don't? Don't, or not. Okay, not scared. Not scared. Scared. Okay? Bye!